The world is ablaze. A wildfire, a force of nature untamed, sweeps across the land. Driven by relentless winds and fueled by dry brush, it consumes everything in its path. Flames lick at the sky, painting the once vibrant landscape in hues, a fiery red and smoky gray. The wildfire's advance is relentless, a terrifying spectacle of raw power. The heat is unbearable, the smoke suffocating. Creatures great and small flee in terror, their homes turned into infernos in the blink of an eye. The ecosystem, once teeming with life, is now a battleground. The intense heat transforms the familiar into a terrifying alien world. Vulnerability hangs heavy in the air, but amidst the chaos, there is a glimmer of hope. The flamingos, elegant and resilient, are masters of survival. Their long, slender legs, perfectly adapted for wading through shallow waters, now serve a different purpose: swift escape. Their keen senses detect the approaching danger long before it reaches them. They understand the language of the wind, the scent of smoke, the crackle of flames. With powerful wings, they rise above the inferno, escaping the clutches of the fire. Their migration is a dance of survival, a testament to their innate ability to adapt and endure. From the ashes, life begins anew. Seeds, long dormant, now have the space and sunlight they need to germinate. The flamingos, too, play a crucial role. Their return is a sign of hope, a signal that the ecosystem is healing. They feed on the new growth, helping to distribute seeds and further promote regeneration. The wildfire, once a symbol of destruction, has become a catalyst for renewal. The landscape is reborn, vibrant and teeming with life once again. The flamingos, too, have thrived. They have adapted, survived, and now flourish in the revitalized ecosystem. The story of the flamingo and the wildfire is a story of survival, adaptation, and the delicate balance of nature. It is a reminder that even in the face of destruction, life finds a way. But this delicate balance is fragile. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect both the flamingos and their habitat. We must understand the impact of wildfires and work to mitigate their destructive power. Let us learn from the flamingo, its dance of survival a testament to the enduring power of life. Let us work together to ensure that this symphony of survival continues for generations to come.